Bolt versus Lovable versus VO. Best no-code app builder. I'm going to tell you which no-code app builder is best. Bolt, Lovable, or VO. Bolt is fast and modern, great for building full-stack apps with clean UI, databases, and logic, all without writing code. Think of it as the Webflow for apps. Lovable focuses on simplicity, super beginner friendly, with drag and drop tools to create mobile apps and prototypes fast. Best for MVPs, portfolios, or lightweight ideas. VO or V0 is for AI powered interfaces. It leans hard into AI agents, chat logic, and automation. If you want to build an AI first product, VO is the most advanced in that space. So, Bolt is clean, real apps with back end. Lovable, easy mobile apps, no stress. VO, AI native for smart UX and agents. Depends on what you're building.